Hi everyone, welcome to Excel tutorial. Today we are going to talk about text functions in Excel. Uh, there are some functions that we can use while we practice. The common used ones: left, right, middle, length, and find. We will start from this left and by practicing on these two different cells. One of them the best team in the world, another is after the best team, Real Madrid. Here we go. I'm going to take the divide into two the Barcelona and get only the first five letters Barche. Okay, I'll write this with the left. I can get the first part of the Barcelona by using left. I'm going to press tab, and after that it says selected text. And then how many characters do I need to get the first part of the Barcelona? Barche, 5 letters. Okay, it will be 5 letters, and I'm going to press enter and it will return me the first 5 letters. I can do the same thing for the Real Madrid. I will do first the left because I want to get from the left, and it says selected text. I do this quickly. And how many letters do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. Real. I can get the rest of the text from the right. I choose the right. Selected text. Comma. How many characters do you need? Lona. 4. It will give me Lona. Alright, I do the same thing. Equal. I will do right again. So I found it. Press tab. Get the text. Comma. How many characters do I need? 6. And here we go. And now let's get some text from the middle. Okay. This time I will do like this. Right and middle. It's the mid. It says first is selected text, Barcelona. The cell is here, B2, comma, start number, where I'm going to start to get the letters from. I would like to start getting text from the fourth character, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to write there 4, okay, and comma. How many characters do you want to get starting from the fourth one? I want to get 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to get 4, 4, and it will give me Selo. Selo means village in Macedonian and also in Russian. Now we can get the length of this. Equal length. So len, L-E-N, stands for the length. So you can see how many characters exist in the text. You can select this and press enter. It will tell you 9. 9 is coming from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Alright. Same thing we can do right here. Len. And select this. Probably it will be 4 from here, 6 from there, 10. And the one space. Space is also character. It will be 11. Let's continue with the find. By using find, I can find the character number of the letter and the text. Example, I will go find, and he says find the text. I want to get example L. Alright, let's see where is the L, comma. I want to select the text because I need to make the search within this text, and press enter. You can press enter. If you don't write the start number for search, it will get the default number 1. It will start searching from here. But if you write there any number, let's say 6, it will start searching after the 6th character. But I don't need it. I'll just search the L letter. Where is it? And it will tell me 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it will tell me the number position is 6. Let's do the last exercise for this one. Find. I want this time. I want to see the space. Okay. I want to find where is the space. For that reason, I didn't write anything there. Okay. And put a comma, and it will be, the search will be through this text. And it says 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is here is the space. Okay, so it tells me the position of the space in the word. Alright guys, we have practiced these most common text functions. Thanks for watching. See you. Bye bye.